Why YouTube? There are three most powerful things that you can do to achieve a life that is a fulfilling life. They are impact, influence, and income. Through YouTube, you literally have the ability to achieve all three. And through YouTube, I believe that you have the ability to truly change the world. In this video, we're going to address the questions. Why is YouTube the single most powerful platform that can help you get more impact, influence, and income? How are you able to monetize your knowledge, your passion, and expertise through this platform? Let's dive right into it. Well, first of all, one thing that you need to know about YouTube is just like any other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, it is a user-generated content. The advantage of YouTube over the other social media, I believe, is this. You are able to keep your audience in the platform for a longer time. Okay? It is not possible for platforms such as Instagram and Facebook because people consume your content like a picture or a long post in a matter of seconds or even minutes for the longest, but they are not able to stay there for a longer time. However, with YouTube, unlike other platforms, you are able to form these real and authentic relationships with your audience because you have a longer watch time and you have a longer time to engage them and for them to consume your content. Sometimes they can stay for hours just watching videos after videos that you have put out there. This brings me to the next point, that is Google is actually not a social media platform. YouTube is actually recently just acquired by Google. And as you know, that Google is the biggest search engine in the world. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. It is a lot more easier for people to search how-to topics that require a lot of explanation and a lot of demonstration. They will not go to Google, they will go to YouTube. And that is a reason why Google actually acquired YouTube in the end. As you are aware now, not many people are watching TV nowadays, right? Less and less people are tuning into their TVs, and a lot of people have actually unsubscribed from their cable, right? Why is that so? YouTube is a free platform. The only thing that you need to pay for, right, is the 5 seconds that you need to wait for the ads to be over. Okay, nowadays people want genuine content. It's very hard to do that through TV. Now think about it. TV is actually a large network where you have this great number of people working on the production, on the content to make it happen. So therefore, things are a lot more polished. They are more scripted. They are not as genuine as in YouTube. In YouTube, you can get to hear people in their raw form, okay? The people are genuine. They're more authentic that way because it's unfiltered, right? You get what you get. Okay, here's another advantage of being on YouTube. You'll be able to gain audience on other platforms as well. Okay, when you have a strong YouTube subscribers base, what you can do is you can redirect these subscribers to also subscribe to you on other media platforms as well, such as Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or you name it. When you have a steady base of subscribers, they will be following you elsewhere as well. They will stay on as your fan. Another benefit of being on YouTube is this. You are able to build connection with others. After consuming your content for a while, people will feel that they know you. I mean, don't you feel that sometimes, you know, after you have been following a certain thought leader for a while, you've been consuming their content for a while now, you feel like you know them, right? Even though they do not know who you are, right? You feel like you have formed this genuine connection with them. And you can't get this kind of connection anywhere else. And potentially, you're able to get like thousands or tens of thousands or even millions of people watching you on YouTube. That's how powerful it is, right? You're able to build connection, not one-on-one, but with a countless number of people out there. Okay, and even celebrities such as Will Smith are turning to YouTube right now. Okay, and this is how you'll be able to influence the world. Think about it. Prior to the internet era, we are only able to meet with people whom we have direct access to physically. But because of this, there's a limitation to the number of people that we can influence with our message. Internet has changed all that. YouTube has changed all that, right? YouTube is now your new TV media platform. And if it's done the right way, you actually have the potential to reach not only thousands, but tens and hundreds of thousands of people, and even potentially millions of people all around the world with your message. YouTube is also the best way for you to build a loyal audience. There will be people who will resonate with your message, and you don't have to actually be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And this is one of the things that stop a lot of people from starting. They thought that they need to have it all together. They need to master a lot of skills. They need to have like all these things that they have to say, you know, and they have to be great before they start their channel. But it doesn't work that way. Okay, in the end, it's about consistency in building up your channel. If you are consistent in putting out videos, you know, week after week, at the end of it, you will be able to build a community of like-minded individuals who will be attracted to your message. Okay, and that is another thing that I love about YouTube, right? And the next point is monetization. You are able to make a few $1,000s in a day. Now tell me, what can that do to your financial aspect of your life? Okay, if you can make a few extra $1,000s in a day, well, let's not say a few $1,000s. Let's say a few $100s in a single day. Would that change your life? Will that significantly help you in your financial life? Of course it will, right? And there are many ways how you can monetize YouTube. There is ads, there's sponsorships, and there's platforms such as merch. You can get like speaking engagements because of your YouTube following. You can sell your online programs, right? And there are many ways how you can monetize YouTube channels. You can do affiliate programs. There are countless number of ways how you can monetize your following, all right? And this is one of the greatest benefit of having a strong YouTube channel. I know there are people who are making like $100,000 per month teaching people what they are passionate about. Why can't that be you, right? As long as you're offering value to people, there's no way that you cannot make money from YouTube. However, I don't think that that should be the primary purpose why you should get into YouTube. But having said that, that is a good side benefit. YouTube is the only social platform that I know of where the platform will actually pay you to create content. Okay, finally, is impact. You'll be able to change the lives of the people in your life, of your audience, with your message. And we all have this wealth of experience in our life that others can learn from. All those wisdom, knowledge, expertise, and skills that you've accumulated over the years, it can benefit and add value to somebody's life. And you can literally impact the lives of uncountable number of people around the world with your message. You just need to start to put yourself out there. So be a creator, not a consumer. The world needs that. Make yourself heard. Starting YouTube channel could be one of the best decisions that I believe you can ever make this year. It might be uncomfortable in the beginning. I know it, I've experienced that as well. But I believe that if you stick to it, it will be worth it in the end. Impact, influence, and income. Tell me, comment down below, which one out of the three most resonate with you in order to achieve that fulfilling life? Put your comments down below. I would like to hear from you. I do personally read through all the comments and I'll try my best to reply to each one of them. Hey, if you found value in this video, smash the like button. It does help the algorithm a little bit. And subscribe in order to get more videos like this. And I look forward to see your comment down below. At this point of life, which one are you after? Is it impact, influence, or income? And why is that so? Okay, ring the notification bell so that you don't miss on any future videos like this. I appreciate you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.